Good evening all. So today we are going to discuss about DevSecOps as well as cloud overview. Okay. First, let us see how we are going to deliver our courses. Let us see that. Also, let us discuss about, first let me explain about our organization. Later we'll see other steps also. Okay. So here our organization website is ITasCode.in. This is our website. And also we have a dedicated website for our training as well. So one more website for our dedicated website, academy.itscode.in. Okay. So here as an organization, so we are into different domains. So we started 6 years back, we started with training. After that, we moved to consulting, IT consulting, as well as now we developed our product called FIRA as well. So we have our own product, so which is FIRA. It's a business management product. So we have product clients across the India. Also, we are started expanding across other countries as well. Okay. So these are all different divisions, but we are continuing our training courses as well. Okay. Now, so first let us see our course delivery process. Okay. Also, let us see that. Okay. So here we are offering courses like DevSecOps, Cloud, as well as Kubernetes, Multi-Cloud we are offering. Okay.
English either? Missing letters sevilla?
Any questions, please? Okay. Lakshman, any questions, please? Okay. Now, so let us see that. Now, how we are going to deliver our course? First, let us see course delivery process. Okay. So daily classes. First, let me explain. So first 2 days, we are conducting 7 p.m. classes. Okay. Thursday and Friday. Thursday and Friday, 7 p.m. After that, morning classes. We'll update you the morning times as well. Okay. And here we are offering 3 different scenarios. One is multi-cloud. So initially we used to teach separate cloud classes, but after that we combine these cloud classes also. Multi-cloud. So here Azure plus AWS. Cloud architecture as well as administration. Okay. So here like a 90 days duration. And morning general timings 6:40 to 7:50 a.m. Daily. These are all timings. Monday to Saturday. Monday to Saturday. These are all timings. And after that, so one more session, DevSecOps. Okay. It's 120 days. Okay. 7:55 to 8:55 a.m. 8:55 a.m. Okay. So these 2 classes are there. And duration 120 days and Monday to Saturday. And here we are covering all the courses along with how to integrate as a DevSecOps engineer, as a cloud engineer, how to integrate AI, ML, IoT. These scenarios we are trying to integrate. So how to cover, we'll try to observe that. As a DevOps engineer, as a cloud engineer, what is our role in this area? We'll try to focus this area as well. Okay. Now, so these are all timings. And after that, we'll see our accounts also, what type of accounts we are going to use. Okay. And here we can see before that, we have our portal, LMS portal. So here you can log in this portal. Okay. So just log in your portal. So here you can find your material as well as recording. Once you log in this portal, as of now, so initial classes we used to use, we have started using our Zoom sessions. After that, we'll try to use this portal itself. You can find our live sessions also. Okay. So you can see courses. So whatever courses are there, you can see that. Okay. Dashboard, within this dashboard. Okay. So you can find whatever courses assigned with your name, you can find that. Okay. So currently we are running 87th batch. 87th batch we are running. Okay. Okay. So as per your access, courses will be aligned. Right? So this is a portal. And also let us see other scenarios also. Let me show you other parameters. Okay. So we have dedicated Tech Connect portal. I'll try to explain later. And you can also find our schedules. So within this portal, you can find our schedules also. Okay. And then, so we have a dedicated YouTube channel. You can also go to this channel as well. This is our channel. Okay. And also here you can see a gallery. So we used to conduct different sessions also. Apart from live sessions, we are also conducting different Tech Connect sessions. We are inviting different people from different domains, and we used to conduct these programs also. Right? So related to our course delivery. So course structure, how we are going to deliver. And then next, let us see. So next part. So here we used to practice, we used to use like our cloud accounts like Azure, AWS, Google. For practice, lab practice, Azure, AWS, as well as Google. We suggest you to register these accounts. Right? Our team will help you how to register this account. Right? Azure, AWS, as well as Google. These three accounts we are going to use. Okay. So if there is no dependency with a specific topic, we'll try to practice other cloud as well. So here two things we can see that. One is cost, other one is we'll get some hands-on as well. Okay. If you observe Azure, only 1 month free trial is in. Azure 1 month, and recently AWS reduced to 6 months. Okay. AWS 6 months. Okay. And Google 3 months. We'll try to use these credits as well. Okay. So these are all things we are going to use. Okay. And then, so installations. So we are maintaining GitHub forum, practice forum. So within this practice forum, we'll try to update all the instructions. Okay. You can find our instructions, how to install. Also, we have a dedicated team. They will help you on that. If you have any questions, they will help you on that. Okay. And then, so apart from that, daily we are conducting practice sessions. So once you complete your class, so we are conducting practice sessions. If you have any questions, you can join that session. So you can get clarified, whatever doubts are there, you can get clarified. Okay. So if you are attending online classes, morning 9 a.m., 9:15 a.m. we are conducting, and evening 6:30 p.m. Or if you are attending offline, so you can spend morning 9 to 4 p.m. within our office. You can spend, so that our team will be there. You can practice your sessions. Okay, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. This is all about practice sessions to address. So whatever doubts are there for the same day, we'd like to resolve that. Okay. And next, we are conducting, we design like, you can call live project or internship. Right. So we are using Scrum model. Okay. User stories based model. So here, whatever topic you completed, let us say today we completed one topic. Let us say topic 1. So today you need to prepare this topic. Next day, so we are conducting Scrum call. Okay. Within that call, you need to present your topic. So now we change it to 2 days, every 2 days, because it's very difficult to prepare every day. That's why we change it to 2 days. Every 2 days, you need to present whatever things you learned. And here we're raising user stories also. Here we're maintaining separate repo. So within this repo, you can find our issues. Within the issues, in the form of issues, we'll try to create our user stories. and based on that, you need to complete user stories as well. Okay, so these are all instructions how to complete. So you can follow these instructions also. So here, two things we are going to achieve. One is, nowadays, if you observe any software, any tool, so many changes are happening, right? So in that use case, and also we need to increase our presence also, social presence, community presence, right? For that, two things you need to follow. One is, so we need to maintain our GitHub profile. GitHub profile means not only resume, so whatever things you completed or whatever things you implemented, just try to make put in this your GitHub profile. This is the first thing. And second thing, whatever things you're learning, just try to present in your LinkedIn also, right? They're all mandatory nowadays. That's why. So whatever things you're learning, daily Scrum call. So you need to present. Once it is done, you need to post in your GitHub as well as LinkedIn also, right? So we used to follow this process. Whoever working in the real-time offices, they can follow user stories. No need to attend these sessions, Scrum call. Just you can see these user stories, and based on that, you can start working on that. If you have any questions, you can reach us, right? Based on your flexibility. If you have a time, then you can attend that. For that, here we created discussion platform as well. You can also utilize that. You can also use our WhatsApp group. We have a dedicated WhatsApp group. You can also use our WhatsApp group, or suppose if you are trying to explain more systematic manner, just post it here. A discussion platform, you can use it. Okay. Now, next one. So these are all things you can see that. Okay. Next one. So here we discussed about internship, right? So, and every 2 weeks, so you need to complete this process every 2 weeks for 2 weeks. And every 2 weeks we are conducting mock interviews. So here concept is simple. Daily you need to prepare and you need to learn things, practice and learn things. Next day or second day you need to present. So after 2 weeks, so whatever topics you learn, based on that, we'll try to take mock interviews. So here, whoever taking mock interviews, those persons are working companies, different companies, they will try to take mock interviews. So whatever topics you completed, just mention here, so that based on that, they will take mock interviews, right? Every 2 weeks, we are conducting these mock interviews. Each stage will give you the feedback. So either it is like a practice session or live project internship, we'll give you the feedback. So based on that, if you are feeling and like if you are facing any issue with specific topic or something, so we'll try to address that as a group or as an individual one-to-one. Okay. So in this way, we are conducting mock interviews every 2 weeks. Okay. Every 2 weeks. 2 weeks you can see. Now, next. Also, till now we completed around 5,000 plus students training and 1,000 plus students working different companies actually. So here we created community as well. So our own community is there. But for that, let me show you the page as well. So here we created separate page. So previously we used to follow up all the, like we used to receive the request from like openings from our old students, and some HR contacts are there, HR companies, and we have startup companies. We have tied up with different startups. Okay. So we used to receive requests from or openings request from these are all areas. So we used to manage manually, and now we automated that. And whoever having some open opportunities, they will try to post it here. And whoever looking for opportunities within our ITasCode, they will try to upload it here. There is a team, separate team is there. They will try to match these profiles and will try to map right person to right opportunity. Okay? So before processing all these scenarios, we need to follow this structure. So we'll try to filter the candidates from this entire structure. Okay. So whoever is working. Okay. So this is community not only for job opportunities, Also, we created a community, like suppose, let us say if you are working, you joined in the new company as a DevOps engineer or cloud engineer. If you are facing any technical challenges, so you can raise it within our community. So we'll try to map correct person as well. So we'll try to help you on the technical queries also if you are facing any challenges. So we'll try to help you on that. Okay. So in that way, we are building this community as well. Okay. So it's a WhatsApp community. So we are maintaining that. Okay. Now, so these are all related to live projects as well as our community. And within this community only, these our three batches are there, three teams are there. As of now, we are maintaining three teams, mock interview teams. Every 2 weeks, one team will conduct interviews, because we are trying to rotate these teams as well. So based on their availability, we are trying to rotate these teams. They are all from our community only. We are working with different companies. Okay. And then next, so apart from that, we are also conducting Q&A sessions with senior technical persons, different tech leaders. Sometimes it is offline, sometimes it is online, right? Tech leaders, different industry experts. Okay. So we used to conduct these persons also. Let me show you our YouTube channel also. There you can see our programs also. Okay. So you can see our programs, like different programs. Okay. So previous programs also, you can see that somewhere. So different tech connects we used to conduct, you can also see that. Okay. So some of the programs are offline and other programs are online. Okay. And then next one. So here, one more important thing, internship. So two things we are focusing. So one is presentation, other one is group discussions. Presentations as well as group discussions. Let us say if you have completed one task, you need to give presentation. Remaining people, they will ask some questions related to specific topic, so that we'll get confidence while presenting our scenarios. Okay. So who are having free time, you can attend, particularly for real-time working persons, right? So remaining persons, it's better to attend all the sessions. Who are free or freshers, it's better to attend all the sessions. Okay. Next. So interview preparation, we are once you complete mock interviews, we'll get some idea related to specific candidates who are strong and who are weak. So who are having some weak points, we'll try to conduct separate session on that. So for that, we are calling it as interview preparation sessions. Interview preparation. And you can see this course also. Here there is a course assigned, particularly interview preparation. Right? Interview preparation, old one as well as new one as well. Okay. So here we used to conduct different sessions. Based on your areas, we'll try to conduct all the sessions. Okay. It's purely based on the feedback, who your candidates are there. So whatever issues they are facing, based on that, we'll try to conduct all these sessions. Okay. And then next one. So, and one more session, we are coming from non-IT. We'll try to conduct Agile Scrum. So if you're already working with Agile Scrum model, you can ignore that. Okay. So they need to understand how they're delivering real-time scenarios. They need to understand that. For that, we are conducting sprint as well. Agile Scrum sprint also, we are conducting that. Okay. And apart from that, so we suggest you to participate in communities as well. You see, just now we discussed it, right? So all the softwares, all the tools are keep on changing. It's better to participate in all these communities. Right? We have our own community. In addition to that, just try to register all these communities. Okay. So Kubernetes, these are all communities. Please try to register this. Our team will forward all these links. Please try to register this. And whatever topic you're learning, just try to explore these communities also. Right? Just try to explore these communities. Also, if possible, if you have some knowledge, just observe these questions. If you have some knowledge, just try to answer these questions as well, right? Once you're comfortable, right? So end of the day, it's better to follow these communities, okay? And these are all things you need to follow, and we'll share you the links as well, okay? So these are all different communities. You can see that, okay? And apart from that, we'll also give you certification guidance. So here, Azure, AWS, Kubernetes, DevOps tools, different tools, Kubernetes, Docker, Terraform, Azure DevOps, and different certifications, right? We'll give you the separate sessions also. We'll conduct separate sessions. Once you complete your course, once you're comfortable with course content, then you can attend your certification if required. We are working. If required, you can attend certification scenarios also. Okay. And so here we are using practice forum, just now I explained it. Practice forum for sharing information, official information. You can see that also. Whatever scripts we are writing, you can find it here. Okay. So all the scripts will be updated here. If you observe Kubernetes, just see, these are all different ES, you can see that. Okay. You can find all the scripts in these folders. Okay. Whatever things you're learning. Similar way, topic wise, you can see that. Okay. So you can see this. Also, we are maintaining class notes also. Each and every class we used to capture notes as well. Class notes also we used to capture that. Okay. So just go through this class notes. Here we'll try to mention screenshots and all these things. Okay. For your reference, you can refer that. Okay. So whatever things we are learning in the classroom, if you need any reference, just go through this. Okay. Okay. So, and apart from that, communication purpose, so you can use our GitHub. You can use GitHub. GitHub issues you can raise, or WhatsApp you can use. So here you can see there is a section called GitHub issues. If you are facing some issues, here also you can raise it, right? And apart from that, and one more thing I forgot to mention, each topic we are giving assignment also. You see, so daily assignment. After that, each topic, once you complete each topic, again there is a complete assignment also. This is also we are going to complete. It means daily topic and daily classes and topic wise, and then end-to-end project. End-to-end project also we are going to implement. Okay. Step by step we are going to progress. Okay. Now, so in this way you can see that. And then, so we'll share contact numbers. We have a dedicated central contact number. You can also call us. So I'll share that contact number as well. Let me share it right away. Just give me a minute. Just give me a minute, please. 94296. It's a centralized WhatsApp and contact number. 93744. You can reach us so that if you ping this within this WhatsApp, our team will respond. They may take some time, but they will respond because all the persons will be in the same number. So they will try to respond. Okay. And currently we are migrating to a new platform. That's why we stopped our mobile app. In future, we are going to release our mobile app. As of now, we stopped our mobile app. So we'll try to release new mobile app. Okay. Now, so this is the course delivery process you can see. Okay. So how we are going to deliver course. So you can see that. So now let us see what are all topics we are going to cover. Right. So let us see that as well. Then we'll take questions. Okay. So DevSecOps. Okay. Here two things you can concentrate. So one is cloud architecture and administration, cloud architecture, as well as administration. Okay. So which is related to Azure as well as AWS. Okay. Now, and once you complete this, so these are all sessions 640 to 740, right? They're all parallel sessions we are discussing. 640 to 750 a.m. And one more session we are calling DevSecOps. Simply you can say, now I would like to set up, now I'm working with Infosys. My client is, so e-commerce client, let us say, some Flipkart client. Our client is Flipkart client. Similar way, within the Infosys, one more client is the HDFC client. Okay, HDFC client is there. And one more client, Netflix, right? These are all different clients. As a cloud engineer, I need to architect this environment. Example, let us say, right? So I need to architect these all environments. So as a cloud engineer, how you design this environment? First, we need to plan architecture. If you observe banking, we need more security. Okay? So we need more security. And if you observe e-commerce, so we need more performance or on-demand security, more scalability. Okay? E-commerce, scalability. Okay? E-commerce. So how to design the strategies? First, we'll try to discuss. Okay. So here I mentioned only two parameters, but we'll try to understand high availability, load balancing, scalability, auditing, logging, security, monitoring. These are all things first we'll try to plan under cloud architecture. Once you completed architecture, once you implemented environment, then we'll try to focus how to manage your cloud environment. Right? These two things will be covered under cloud architecture as well as administration, Azure plus AWS. So here, let us say if you are trying to cover one topic, same topic will be covered next, like Azure and AWS. We'll try to compare these two as well. Right? Parallel, we are trying to cover. Right? So this is a cloud architecture and administration. After that, once you set up your environment, now I'm able to set up my Flipkart environment. As a business owner, I need to deliver these products with my users so that they can start purchasing these products. Okay. So for that, how to deliver your application with the DevSecOps strategies. Okay. So we'll try to cover on DevSecOps strategies. Here, let me list out some tools. Later, we'll see what are like a tools. Let me show you that. First, we'll try to cover overview, DevSecOps and cloud overview, and Linux basic commands. And then, so cloud overview, cloud anyway separate class, right? Whoever joining only DevSecOps will cover only basics, cloud basics. Okay. And then, so here Git, okay, and version control, okay, Azure DevOps, Jenkins, GitHub Actions. Why we are covering these? Because so based on the project, requirement may change, right? That's why we are covering these CI tools. And also we are covering Terraform, Docker, Kubernetes, Ansible. These are all core tools. Apart from that, so we are focusing more into security. How to secure your DevSecOps strategies. Each and every step. We'll discuss that. Okay. DevSecOps strategies. Along with different tools, we'll try to cover. Right? And also we are concentrating more into Kubernetes also. Previously, we used to teach Kubernetes separate classes. Because of bandwidth, we merged our Kubernetes into main section as well. So we are focusing more into Kubernetes also. Because there is a more importance related to Kubernetes. If you observe every workload, most of the workloads running on the Kubernetes, AI workloads particularly, right? That's why we'll try to focus more into Kubernetes sections also. And apart from that, is other tools like JFrog, okay, Nexus, but not Nexus actually, JFrog, HashiCorp Vault, okay, and also CNCF tool like Velero, disaster recovery, okay, and also Rancher, okay, and also Istio, Kubernetes related issue. Here, so many tools are there. We'll see one by one. Also, you can go through our post content also for that. Okay. So these are all tools we are going to discuss. As of now, just ignore. We'll see one by one. Okay. Our agenda is to set up scalable and high available environment. On top of that, we need to deliver our application along with security, quality, and velocity. Right? How to set up? We'll see that. Okay. So now let us take some questions so that we'll continue. Once we take questions, then we'll continue. Any questions, please? Okay. Any questions, please? Okay. Now, next steps. So next steps, let us see. Now, first let us see basic scenarios. Very basic scenario. First, let us start. Okay. Then we'll see next steps. Okay. Now, if you are trying to deliver an application, just forget about this all course content. We'll see one by one. Now, if you are trying to deliver an application, so first, let us take some simple application. I would like to access some Excel application. So this is the application I'm trying to access. So for that, I need one desktop. Okay. I need one desktop. So here I need one desktop. So within this desktop, I need to install Excel application. Okay. Excel application I need to install. So before that, we need some package, MS Office package. Just see, let me show you some packages, sample packages. You can see package, nothing but some installation package. Either it is MSI package or exe file, example file. Let me show you any file you can see. Just refer any file. So let us say this is also one of the package, right? You see, if you observe this package .exe, this is the .exe file, right? So, or you can see this is also one exe file. This is also .exe file. So based on the application, extension will be changed. Now, so just see, here we need one package, some MSI package or whatever package is, as of now it is called package. And that package should be installed with your desktop. Once you receive the package, then we'll try to deploy this package within your desktop. Nothing but just you can click double click, and then you can install this package, right? Now, but before that, so just see here, these are all different options you can see. These are all different options. These are all things will be developed by our developers. Okay. So our developers, they will try to develop the code. Okay. We are trying to understand our DevOps engineer as well as cloud engineer responsibilities. First of all, that's why we are trying to understand basic scenarios first. Okay. Our developers, they are trying to develop the code. So once it is done, they will try to convert this code into deployable format package. You can see these type of packages, you can see that. Okay. Deployable format packages. Okay. So once it is done, we can deploy this package with your system. As of now, let us say desktop. So once it is done, we can start accessing your application. As of now, we are saying Excel application. Okay. Excel. You can start accessing Excel application here or users. So this application, let us call desktop applications, right? So here you can see some limitations are there. So this is our laptop or desktop. So some limitations are there. So here you can onboard only limited users, right? So just see here. So here we onboarded only one user. If you're trying to onboard one more user, you may end up with some performance issues. Okay? Some limitations are there because of OS as well as resources also. Okay? Here we are using Windows 11 and Windows 10. Now, next steps. Next steps, I need to access some other applications like some IRCTC application or some other application. Okay, 1 second. IRCTC. Okay. IRCTC application. Okay. So here, our developers, they are trying to develop the code. So code, nothing but this is the one. This is the logic you can see. Business logic. So whoever is trying to book the tickets, first they need to mention source, destination, and category, all these things they need to mention. Once it is done, right, process will be happen. Now here you can see for all these things, our developers, they are trying to develop business logic. They will try to develop business logic and code, right? So here they are trying to develop the code. So once it is done, they will try to convert this code into package. Okay. So here they will try to convert this code into package. Okay. Deployable format package, you can say this type of package. Then they will try to deploy this package with, this time we need powerful servers, because if it is a desktop, only we can accommodate few number of users, 1 or 2 users, right? So this time you can use servers having high amount of resources. Okay. Now here, this is the application related to IRCTC, right? Here, multiple users, they can start accessing this application. Multiple users. These are all different users. IRCTC. Okay. IRCTC users, they can access. Okay. These are all different users, they can access that. So these application through web browser, they are trying to access this application. Okay. This application, let us call web applications. Okay. Now, nowadays we are seeing so many mobile apps for every solution. So we are seeing mobile apps, right? So just see WhatsApp or some other application. Example, PhonePe. Let us say we are using PhonePe, and PhonePe releasing new feature. Okay. Let us say PhonePe. So here you can see, okay, PhonePe. Okay. So they're releasing new feature, let us imagine. Okay. So here they're releasing new feature. Developers, they started developing new feature. PhonePe developers. Okay. So once it is done, they will try to convert this code into package, deployable format package. But this time they will try to push this code with Play Stores. Different Play Stores, iOS as well as Android. Okay. Android, you can see. So once it is done, with by using our mobiles, we used to update our mobile app with this from Play Store, right? Then once you update this updates, right, app, okay, PhonePe app, then our users, they can start using new features. Whatever features they released, they can start using that. Okay. So let us say PhonePe users. Here you can see PhonePe. These applications, mobile applications, we are saying. Now just see. So all the scenarios, what is our role? We need to understand. As a DevSecOps engineer, as a cloud engineer, what is our role? This entire life cycle, right? We'll try to observe all the scenarios one by one. Our entire classes will try to observe one by one. So we'll see that. Okay. If you have any questions, please ask us so that we can we'll try to address questions as well. Okay. If you have any questions, also you can ping in the chat as well. If you have any questions, you can ping in the questions or queries. You can ask in the chat as well. Okay. Now, next steps. Okay. So these are all steps we observed. And now let us observe simple use case. Okay. So let us see. Now we are trying to access Flipkart. Okay. So one of the product we are trying to purchase. Okay. So let us see. Yes. Yeah. Whatever required for containerization, we are going to cover Trivia and all these tools. Yeah, we are going to cover. Yeah. Okay. And then, so here so many tools are there. That's why I'm not able to list out all these tools, right? You can also go through our course repository as well. Yeah. Okay. Now, next steps. Okay. Now we are trying to purchase one product. Let us imagine this is the product I'm trying to purchase. Let us say this is the product I'm trying to purchase. Some projector I'm trying to purchase. Okay. So this is a projector. Okay. So for that, okay, So here developers, they develop the code. Okay. They develop the code. Code nothing but this is the one, right? How much price is there, discount, and specification, technical specifications, all these things, right? This is a dynamic value, right? Price, discount, and specification, these are all dynamic values, right? Sometimes they may increase the price, sometimes they may set some discounts also. Also based on the product, they may change the specifications also, right? Now, as of now, our developers develop the code. Now, they are trying to release this application with users. As of now, let us call multiple stages. Let us call multiple stages. Okay, these are all stages. And then our users, they are trying to access this application. As of now, just use these multiple stages. Later, we'll see all the stages, we'll see one by one. Okay, multiple stages, you can see them. Okay, users. Okay, now, so currently we are purchasing through Flipkart. Through Flipkart, price is around 6,000 rupees. Okay, 6,000 rupees price. Now, this is a V1 version, let us say. Developer developed the code with V1 version, 6,000 rupees. Now, business team, they decided to drop down this price because Amazon also selling same price. Okay, Amazon also same product, they're selling same price. That's why, due to the competition, they would like to drop down this price. Okay, instead of 6,000, they are offering around 5,000 rupees. Okay, instead of 6,000, they are trying to offer 5,000 rupees. For that, they need to do changes in this code level. So whatever price is there, instead of like for that, first developers, they need to do same changes in the code level. So once it is done, they need to deliver these features to or changes to users. But we are saying multiple stages, right? Multiple stages. So here you can see that challenges you can see. Now just see, as of now, we don't have any automation. So we are trying to deliver these features. Our developers change this code. Now they change it to 5,000 rupees. And now they need to, or users, they need to access that. After change this code and users, they are trying to purchase this product. Now it is showing 5,000 rupees, let us imagine. So whenever they are trying to click this option, it is showing some errors. Okay, if they're clicking this option, it is showing some errors. This is a one scenario, let us see. We should not get any errors. So whenever you're trying to deliver your product, user should not report any errors. That is the first factor you need to see. Can list it. Quality. We need to maintain quality first. Okay. And second one, let us see velocity. Just imagine currently there is a big sale going on. Right? There is a big sale. This big sale is limited to only 7 days or 5 days, let us say. It is limited to only 5 days. But these developers, they are taking more than 2 weeks or 3 weeks, let us imagine. So this type of scenario, it won't be suitable for our e-commerce business. So whatever developers currently working, that is not suitable for this type of business. So we need velocity also. It means as per the business need, we need to deliver the features within the short time or as per the business requirement. So we need to deliver our features. It means we need to maintain velocity as well. We need velocity. And one more thing, just see here. If you observe Flipkart, different parties, let us explore. First one is customer. Customer, okay, only he need to purchase the items. He should not access Flipkart internal environment or other areas. Only he need to purchase the items. So we need to maintain those scenarios. And also if you observe seller, whoever seller is there, if you observe seller, this company also one of the seller, right? He need to publish the products. And also he should not have any other access, right? This part also we need to see that. And other one, there is an IT team or whoever is managing Flipkart environment. They need to manage their environment, but even though they should not disturb environment, it means right person, right access. Okay. And one more scenario, let us say delivery voice. Okay. So they should not steal credit card information. Okay. Only they need to show, they need to see some specific information only, address and other things. Right? These type of scenarios we need to observe. These are related to overall application. At the same time, we are saying multiple stages, developer to end user. How to secure this entire scenarios we'll try to observe. One is application level, overall application level, how to achieve security. Second one, so whenever developers are developing code, right, how to secure these strategies, we'll see that. Yeah, velocity means duration. Yeah, so how much fast you can deliver, so you can say that. Yeah. Okay, so how fast you can deliver, you can see that. So we'll try to achieve security. Because nowadays, if you observe AI frameworks, everywhere AI is there. Okay. But security, coming to the security, why DevSecOps and Kubernetes cloud is very important because of AI. Okay. So many changes are happening. And here, main thing is security. Right. So whoever developers are there developing, or whether it is AI or whatever solution they are developing, end of the day, we need to securely deliver that. Right? For that, DevSecOps is important framework, and also Kubernetes. If you observe Kubernetes, just see. Okay. If you observe Kubernetes, okay, Uber migration Kubernetes. Recently, Uber migrated to Kubernetes. Previously, they used other platform. Recently, they migrated. Uber is the biggest platform, right? This quick, this cab related scenarios. Okay. And also you can see OpenAI. OpenAI, Kubernetes. Okay. So just see OpenAI itself, they used, right, more than, it's around 2021 information, but now they may scale nodes also, right? So these many nodes they used, okay, 75,100 Kubernetes nodes. So why they are using, we'll try to discuss. Coming classes, we'll try to focus. End of the day, simply you can say that our AI related frameworks, Kubernetes is the heart of the, like our platform here. And also DevSecOps. So whatever solutions they're developing, end of the day, we need to secure that. Yeah, example, let's see here. Very simple example, let's see. There is a chatbot, very simple chatbot. Okay, this is the organization. Okay, this is the organization. So here users, they are trying to ask some queries. You can see any chatbot, example chatbot, let us see, any chatbot, GoDaddy, let us say, GoDaddy or some other, any chatbot you can see. Okay. Suppose if you observe this chatbot, so whatever questions you are asking, it is giving some answers, right? So just in contact us. So if you click here, automatically it opens some chatbot. So let us see. There all things comes under DevSecOps cloud part. Let's see here. So what of the areas we are going to cover, we'll see that. So here users are asking some questions. And here we'll try to place some data source. Whatever queries you are going to answer, we'll try to place some data source here. Okay, data source. And we should not reveal sensitive information also here. So whoever uses, they are asking based on the authentication. So here you can allow them. Based on the authentication, you can allow them. So we should not reveal internal information with external users. But here our role we'll try to understand. As a cloud engineer, what is our role? So we need to set up best architecture for this, because end of the day, all the scenarios they are trying to implement are cloud solutions only. If you observe Azure, Azure OpenAI, AWS Bedrock, and Google Vertex, these many solutions are the AI solutions. As a cloud engineer, how to utilize these solutions, how to set up this architecture, first strategy. Second one, so whenever you're trying to deliver your application in terms of security, how you are going to secure as a DevSecOps engineer. Okay, we will try to understand that. Very simple chart, but we'll see that how to utilize. We'll see that. That's why if you observe our YouTube channel, we are focusing. Just see recent videos. If you observe, let me show you these recent videos. So most of the areas we are focusing into as a cloud engineer, as a DevSecOps engineer, what is our role we are focusing? Okay, so here you can see that. Okay, MCPs as well as A2A project. We'll try to understand all these terminologies. Separate classes are there. AI automation, right? So similar way, Azure DevOps, they launched agentic DevOps, right? And also a SRE agent. And these are all different concepts. Even Apple released their own containerization, similar to Kubernetes. They released their own containerization, right? So these are all things are changing. But as a DevOps engineer, as a cloud engineer, so how to redefine ourselves, right? We'll try to understand that. So our basic scenarios, first we'll try to focus basic fundamentals. Once you understand basic fundamentals, then we'll try to align these strategies also. AI-related scenarios also. AI-related ML as well as IoT also. Tomorrow class also we'll see. So what are all use case we are going to cover AI ML IoT also, we'll see that, right? So in this way, you can see that. So today we observed very basic scenarios. Tomorrow, let us see other scenarios, right? So till now, if you have any questions, let us discuss. Today we observed our course delivery process. After that, very basic structure we observed, right? So how we are going to deliver our application, okay? So here we observed very basic structure, okay? Different applications we observed, and also you can see multiple stages. And here we observe some parameters like quality, velocity, one more is security, right? Here we didn't mention security, okay? As a DevSecOps engineer, cloud engineer, how to maintain all these strategies, we'll try to observe. And one more thing you need to understand. So we should not differentiate these two. These two are combined. Right? These two scenarios are combined. DevSecOps as well as cloud. Okay. As a DevSecOps engineer or as a DevOps engineer, always we need to know how cloud is working. Similar way, if you know cloud, we need to have knowledge like how to deliver your application. Right? Nowadays, like they're asking like a one person, all skills. Right? So in that way, you can see that. Okay. Now, if you have any questions, first let us address that. Any questions, please, if you have. Okay. Okay. You can also send message as well, chat also. Any questions, please? Okay. Okay. So tomorrow also at same time, and Saturday, Sunday we are going to conduct Monday morning time because week off, right? So we'll see Saturday, Sunday morning times. So meanwhile, if you have any questions, please try to connect with us, and I will see you next. Any other questions, please?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. No questions. We can close the session, and tomorrow we'll see. Okay. Okay. So SRE role, right? Someone is asking SRE role. Let us explain SRE role also. Now let us see here. Tomorrow we are going to cover this topic actually. Now let us cover this. Just see here. So here, our developers, they're developing code. After that, here we are creating package. And then, so we are going to deliver this application. Before delivering this application, we need some environment, ops environment, right? So SRE engineer, he will take care of these operations, okay? So operations as well as monitoring, site reliability, you can say. End of the day, whatever code developed by developers, remaining task will be taken care by SRE engineer, site reliability engineer. So here, most of the time, he will take care of Ansible, monitoring, Prometheus and Grafana. Kubernetes also important one, okay? So Kubernetes, these are all areas they are going to work, right? So that's why if you observe Azure, they released SRE agent also, SRE AA agent. It means, let us say here we are running some workloads. If anything goes wrong, this AA agent will detect the issues. Also, it will suggest the fixes also. Okay. But we'll see that because here so many challenges are there, security related challenges are there. Still they're running, exploring these areas. Microsoft itself, they're exploring these areas. Okay. So it means down the line, at least 3 to 4 years, AI agent will replace this. Okay. That's why you need to focus at least architecture level. If you focus architecture level, so you can achieve anything, right? So, any questions, please? Okay, you can send message also if you have any questions. DevSecOps is similar to SR. Yeah, it's part of SRE is part of DevSecOps. Yeah. Kiran, is it clear? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. It's part of DevSecOps, but we'll try to learn all the things. Okay. Okay. If you have any question, please reach us, and also we'll try to conduct practice sessions. You can also join that sessions. If you have any questions, you can ask our team as well, so that they will help you on that. Okay. Thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.